This right here is the Topple Tower. It's the last one in Europe, and today we're riding it.
El Volador at Bellewaerde was the first of these crazy towers, built by Haas in 2005. And it may end up being the last one standing. We will be lifted up 16 meters to the top of the tower and start rotating. And then the entire structure will tilt over 60 degrees. So strap yourself in, because this is an experience you won't forget.
Right, time for Topple Tower, and I'm actually kind of nervous. Curious how this will be. Just want to have it done before it actually closes forever. There's only 3 left in the world. 2 in Asia, this one in the West. So best to get it done. Face my fear. It looks so wonky though, like I'm more intrigued than I am scared right now. But I'm locked in, so no way out. We'll first get lifted up, then it's going to rotate before it starts toppling, so we're going up. I think the bird is staring at us right there. Oh, we're rotating already. Let's see how it goes. We're at stop. Making a good spin. It's actually quite some force out already, so like you're being pushed into your restraints. I think we're about to topple. Yep. This is super weird. Oh. This is incredibly weird. My God. Like you're just facing down at the water. That's a cool sight. It looks a lot more wonky and a lot more intense than it actually is though. It's quite fun. In the end, it's just not really doing much, you know. As I say that. Okay, that's cool. This is actually cool. It's a short cycle, we're already done. Now to go back down, and, may just have to do it again for an actual POV. So yeah, Topple Tower. If you have the chance, just experience it. It's super weird. I don't expect any more will be built anymore, so get to Belgium, get to Bellewaerde. Wow.